Alright, today I'm going to tackle this heater core. It's got to come out. I could straighten out some of this wiring, oh boy, and get this dash back put together. So that's the project today. We'll see how it goes. There's a few videos out there that show exactly how to do this. This is an 85, so it might be a little bit different from some of the others, but they're all basically the same. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about it. You can watch those other videos if need be, but if something comes up that I think needs some video attention, I will start recording, let you guys see it. Okay. Got this part out. All these wires are, oh my god. I'm probably going to clean this too while it's out, get rid of all this dust. Might as well clean up all that. But I got all those little screws out, 10 mils. Okay, it's out. There was a little bit of a fight, but finally got to it. And yeah, it was pretty messy in here. Clogged up, that's for sure. So I'll have to clean that out. And here it is. That's the new one I'll be putting on. It's definitely okay. Installed it. The battery died on my phone, so I couldn't record it. Kind of peed me off a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, it was a pain in the ass. And I hope I don't ever have to do this again. But it's done, so it's warming up. No leaks that I can see of. Good. Good. Looking good. Here to be any leakage. Good. Still not getting any hot air yet. It kind of feels a little bit warm. Mind you, I just started it not like 2 minutes ago, so still warming up. Next, tackling these wires. Probably gonna just cut most of it out. Just keep what I need. Okay, it's a much warmer day today. Get back on this heater core situation. So we got no leaks. That's good. Let's see what our level's at here. Oh, definitely low. Okay, good. So we're gonna fill that up. And also gonna put in a new thermostat. I'll be taking that out. Clean up this cap a little bit here. And if anybody knows, I accidentally popped this off of the hood latch. Goes on here somehow, hooks in there. I don't know if that's broken right there. You can see. So somebody could give me a hand in figuring this out. Okay, as we can see, got the new thermostat in. The other one was there, but it was a 160 Fahrenheit before it opens. This one's 195. Lets it get a little bit hotter. And those are 9/16 bolts. So I gotta put the filter in next. Or not the filter, the gasket. And then clean up this cap a little. Okay, thermostat cover is back in. Says 20 pounds of torque on those 2 bolts. And okay, let's put the hose back on. Okay, I gotta search for the clamp. I'm flying. I think it's down. Let's see if we can see it. Yeah. You have to get down on the ground and see if it landed inside the fan shroud at the bottom there. Or is it underneath? No. Okay, got it. Yeah, I was sitting on the bottom of this fan shroud. You can see how close that bolt is there to the where the hose goes in. Doesn't leave me much room. See it there. I literally have to put the clamp in on there. So I'm gonna cut this hose back probably to about here. I checked it, it'll reach still. It sits a little high anyhow, so that'll even bring it down a tad. Alright, do that and put that thing in there. Get this thing rolling. I want to start it up and add some coolant. And get this heat happening. Even though it's a nice, beautiful day today. She's in. You gotta figure out stuff as you go a little bit, you know what I mean? Everything's doable, even for a non-mechanic like myself. But I gotta use some common sense and whatnot. Anyway, you guys know. I don't have to tell you that. And yeah, okay. Let's see how that goes. See if I get some serious heat in there. I'm only getting some lukewarm heat. Most likely because of this being low. Lots of bubbles in there. Lots of bubbles. Come on out, bubbles. Come on out. Or so. Doesn't appear to be any more bubbles. No leaks. Running good. Getting lots of heat. Nice and hot. See it. Put it up top. Oh yeah, nice and warm. No leaks. Time to put this all back together now. Clean up some of this unnecessary wiring here. Tidy it up, and let's close it up. That'd be nice. Nice. No leaks. I don't know why I got an orange bulb and a clear bulb. We'll figure that out when I do the wiring and the lights and all that shit. You can see these two marker lights are working. Tail light's working. This side marker light's not working. That wing's pretty different. It's got a light in there. Apparently that's from a Cadillac, those lights up there. Tail light. But they're not working right now. So another thing I gotta check into, wiring and whatnot. Probably some bad grounds. Oh, seems to be working somewhat. I mean, it's been on for about 5 minutes. I might take it for a little drive just to get it up to operating temperature for sure. But yeah, it's defrosting.